Little sun porch, you feel me?
Does he have multiple houses?
Yep. Who that? How's it going?
How are you?
Yeah, get back. Get off me. Get your dog.
That ain't my
Who's dog?
Hey, your brother.
Get that ugly dog off me.
Yeah.
Get. Go. Hey, go. You don't understand English? Get.
Why is I so red?
Because he looks sick. Let him touch you. Oh, what's that? 1, 2, hold on. Is that a bedroom or not? Oh, it's 3 bedrooms.
No.
Alright, come on. So 1, 2, this is 3, 3rd bedroom here. Decent. Oh, no, ain't no closet. This must have been an office. You can add a closet in the bedroom. Alright, this thing here. Oh no. Oh, this bedroom. Okay. You feel me?
I hate mom cleaners.
You hate it? What it do to you?
Because I had to stay there with my mama. And it was trash.
These is not like bedroom. I mean, only 2 of them got closets, but I guess you can theoretically put closet. Excuse me? You buzzing, bro. You ain't never lived in Detroit.
Yes, I have.
No, not for real.
Okay, I still had to stay in Detroit.
For a month, maybe. You ain't never lived in Detroit. Like, went to school there. It's not the same. You stayed there because you was over for a weekend or something. I don't know what that is. Excuse me. Sure, clean up.
That's right.
All right, now.
Yeah, he at the gas station, so they making my room.
But he ain't there no more. But, who's this, Daru? Where my money at? What up, Mac? What up? What up, Mac? See me on your next check?
Second Wednesday of next month.
What day is that? So I can make sure I'm at the door.
The second Wednesday. I'll get my checks every Wednesday. The second Wednesday every month. Since I get a fucking
retire. Take note of that. Second Wednesday every
second Wednesday every month. My retirement check. How you been doing? Yeah. Come on, man. Just wash your head. Let me get the light.
Man, make yourself useful. Thank you. I know you kind of tall, bro, but they do. Oh man, the basement wet. What the? And I smell poop.
Bro.
Trust me, dude, having that good next shit up, you know we'll be down here.
Think that's poop? You smell poop, bro? Son, you smell poop?
No, bro.
You don't smell poop, so it ain't poop.
Like that inside, son.
Young nigga know.
We got to grow my shit right there.
What is he doing? Why is all the floor busted up?
Something he was gonna do.
How he say he want 150 for this?
Something he said he was gonna do.
Hey, let me get the weed. The other side, dude. Smoking on.
A little bit of weed you
A
want
little
it?
bit of weed. Yeah, that ain't late.
I don't smoke dope and something.
Oh. I was joking about smoking.
I don't mind shit.
This wall bowing.
Huh?
This wall bowing. What do you got going on over here? This wall bowing too. Let's see.
There's a lot going on.
Huh?
There's a lot going on.
Whole lot. Whole lot. Even young dog sees it. Yeah, this is in the basement short. Good lord.
What, they 150? You think that's a reasonable price?
No, nigga, I don't.
It's like 90. Not 90.
Stacking up more shit, dog. Put that in the garage, man. I don't want to walk and look at that. I got a lot of in there.
Sure do. What's all? Why all the basement floor busted?
I was gonna put the drain system in it. What's the name of the thing? But I didn't even really need it.
I don't know. Talk about Come out,
Not
Sector,
sector.
sub pump?
Sub pump. But I ain't really need it. What I did was cut the yard back. You know what I mean? Took the down. You know what I'm talking about? This water right here coming from here.
What is that?
That's where the hot water tank go.
Where is it at now?
I took it out because I'm gonna put electrical in there.
How many acres is this?
It's almost it's a little over 3.75 of an acre. 3/4.
So it goes back to the tree.
10 feet past the tree, huh?
Past the biggest tree?
Yeah, the biggest tree, 10 feet. What's up, baby?
What's up?
You all right? Your Uncle Hug, man. You been good?
Yeah.
I like that hat, dude.
I'm getting it redone.
Oh yeah, that the untwist, huh? What, the Cadillac?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, remember the house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that motherfucker to Tallahassee, man. Drop that motherfucker off. Huh?
What's that? On Acre Street.
Yeah.
It's a lot of land.
Shit, I'm
It's
waiting
a lot of
to get me
land.
A couple dollars, probably about 2-3 weeks. By the end of next month. Land.
This reminds me of South Carolina. Running around.
Like I say,
Used to run around with no shoes on.
In this?
Yes.
And in these?
all
Bro.
that shit is building material. I just ain't got time.
What?
Because if I can't get the loan, I'd just rather sell this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what they use for the suction tank. But them motherfuckers, what Tom and Nelson do, they use the concrete. That way the motherfuckers don't never material. They go to work for Jamaican motherfuckers. They pull fiber optics. Who, me? Online, early in the morning, you gotta look for them people trying to get rid of that.
I look every day.
Do you? I get up at 5:30 in the morning, be on marketplace. It's different too.
A lighter color, I'm saying.
See, it ain't made out of that sand.
Damn, nigga, how many bikes you got?
I give them to them little kids.
You need a bike for the shop.
I got a bike. I got to
How much
pick
you
it
want
up.
for this?
I would give that to Melissa's boy.
This one?
Yeah. I don't sell them, I give them away. See that right there? It's wet.
Oh,
That motherfucker go like 100 feet down.
Man, I like it.
How much can I get for it, you think?
Probably 90.
90.
Yeah. What say you, Misha? How much?
I don't know why. That's why I can't find
105.
105. This is a good number.
This don't go.
You had in the lottery.
This is one of them shells and shit I wanted to use.
I like it though.
This
It's gonna take about 50,000 to get it right.
105 after you get it like all fixed up.
This shit on the shelf.
But alright, I gotta get home.